All right, go for it. Oh, it lit up. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. And on this upload, we're gonna revisit the Accuair Indo CVT system that is on the right-hand drive Audi A5. Okay, so last time that we were doing that, we talked about the A5 and the Accuair system. We showed you how to repin the main harness connector for the Indo CVT if you were running a standard system ECU. And on this upload, we're gonna show you guys how to run a E+ system with a C adapter on a Indo CVT. And the reasons that we're gonna do this, I'm gonna let Tyler, the guy who owns this beautiful machine, explain to us. So Tyler, how are we doing tonight?
I don't remember.
There's 3 reasons why you might want to do this. You want to just read your notes? You can. It's all right.
Yep.
I'm putting him 100% on the spot. Okay, for the record, Tyler's never been on the channel, so a lot of this is probably going to be left in because it's kind of like a bloopers and it's a funny bit, and this whole ordeal shouldn't take much more than like 5 minutes to really film, but it's going to take us an hour, so we need something to make filler content. So YouTube like gets that algorithm minimum length of video.
So,
all right, you figured it out?
So the main reason why you would want to run the C adapter harness with your E-Level Plus system is if you want the full compatibility of the app that Accuair has just released. Because if you run the C adapter on the E-Level Plus, it will allow you to be able to use the app like normal. The other reason why you would want to run the C adapter on your E-Level Plus is if you updated your ECU via the app, and
who did that?
That does not work with an Indo CVT, and I did that.
Yes. I.e. why we shot a video on how to repin your master connector.
Currently, what we have in the car is the Indo CVT. We have the C adapter harness.
Hold on, let me get some light. Light. You guys like my broken snap-on light? I put that in a suspension on a coilover job on a B8 Audi.
Nice. Yeah. So currently, we are running the old school E-Level ECU with the C adapter harness wired in. You can run the E-Level Plus ECU, which is this guy, also with the C adapter harness, if you want to have full compatibility of the app that Accuair released.
Yes. But before we show you that, I'm going to show you that this thing actually works. I think that's fair, right?
Sure.
All right, so that's setting 3 right now, right? Okay. All right, go ahead and treat him. There. All right, so you know it works, right? It didn't give it that impressive though.
What? It's all in here. All the it's because I didn't want it being loud on the outside of the car. So when you pull up the car meets and it airs out, not everybody will hear it.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Now Tyler and I are going to walk you through this extremely difficult process of upgrading your E-System ECU to an E+ ECU for all the reasons he mentioned before. You want to show him how to do this?
Yep.
All right, Tyler, show us how it's done here.
So now that the complicated part of repinning the harness is out of the way, all we are going to do, we'll see. These are on here.
Eventually.
Maybe. That mother want to come off, and I do not want
Try another one.
Wire. These motherfuckers are on here.
You super glue it?
There's 1, 2.
Can you do it?
Holy moly!
What happens if you can't get that off?
Sell the car.
Oh, it's a piece of shit. Just get rid of it.
Oh my god, dude. Your turn.
Tap. Oh. Oh, there we go.
There's 1. And 2.
You were just weak.
So now,
Tap back in.
all we are going to do is hook everything back up to the E+.
All right, go for it. Oh, it lit up. We got noises. It's moving. It's moving. Yeah. There we go.
Compressor's on, that's why it's flashing green. As soon as this fills all the way up, it'll turn blue.
You gonna test it? Oh, your shit's got Bluetooth, bro.
And you can see your tank pressure. You ready? Air up the car.
Dude, what's the range on that?
I don't know. My tank is at 212 PSI and it's a 200 PSI tank though.
So can you make it like jump around and do things?
Yep. We can do whatever we want to do
We need
from my phone.
You need neon lights now.
I do need neon lights. So as you can see, it is working.
Yeah, it works perfectly. I mean, there it is.
CVT.
Oh. So there it is. CVT system working with a C adapter in it. After you may have updated your app and screwed up and then went backwards and went back forwards. Dude, that's so cool.
System diagnostics. We're getting 4 volts to the tank. We're getting 14 volts at the battery. We can adjust just the rear. We can adjust per corner if we want.
So can you like program it to do a set of things? Or is it not that sophisticated?
I don't know,
Yeah.
truthfully.
Accuair, take notes. I mean, it's got to be able to know how, it's got to be able to be programmed. Be like, let's make it dance, and it just jumps around. I'm sure it can do something like that. If somebody watches this in the future from a company that just so happens to do this app production, coding, make this thing dance. I want to see that in an update. Give me a small credit line like that big. That'd be fantastic. All right, guys. That's all we got for this upload. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And like always, thanks for watching. And like always, thanks for watching. I'm Audi. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Tyler.
Bye.